Hello, everyone, and welcome to Auto News Channel. Meet the Kia Tasman, a vehicle born from the wilderness, designed to conquer the toughest terrains and deliver unmatched performance. This series will showcase the meticulous development and rigorous testing that went into bringing this powerhouse to life. With over 18,000 rounds of testing, the Tasman has proven its durability and reliability. From deep water wading and all-terrain durability trials to on-track performance and towing tests, every aspect has been finely tuned to perfection. Get insights from the brilliant minds behind the Tasman. Hear from Kia's R&D team about the innovation, dedication, and meticulous efforts that went into creating this remarkable pickup truck. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest automotive innovations, and let us know your thoughts on the Audi Urban Sphere in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.